2 days ago, on Wednesday, India recorded more number of COVID-19 cases than any country ever has since the pandemic began. Over 75,000 new cases. And yesterday, we topped that count. 77,000 plus new cases were recorded. We've been hearing and reading so many COVID statistics every day that they tend to become just numbers. My name is Pallavi Prasad and I'm here to contextualize important COVID-19 news for you. Over 33 lakh people have been infected with COVID-19 in India till now. This includes over 25 lakh people who have already recovered, so that's some good news to hang on to. But the total count also includes over 61,000 people who have died. The government is slightly alarmed with the surge of daily new cases. Yesterday, it called for a meeting with 10 states and union territories that contribute to 73% of the caseload and asked them to reduce the positivity rate among healthcare workers on priority. You can't have doctors and patients falling sick at the same time. Delhi was not in that meeting owing to its remarkable recovery in July. But as Unlock 4.0 approaches, cases in the capital are rising steadily for the past 2 weeks. The number of new cases yesterday was the highest since July 10. Hospitals are also witnessing more daily admissions, especially of patients with moderate symptoms. At Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital, for example, bed occupancy has almost doubled in the last few days. Only 400 beds are vacant now. Telangana is also seeing a similar trend. It has almost doubled its testing numbers in the last 1 week and so has started to discover many more cases than it was doing earlier. Coming to the allied disruption caused to education by COVID-19. A new UNICEF report says only 25% of Indian households have access to online education. This complicates the debate on when to reopen schools and colleges. How long can India put in-person education on hold when only 1 in 4 households can access online education? Across the world, countries are struggling to resume life as we knew it. France, Germany, Spain, Japan, Hong Kong, South Korea, the UK, New Zealand, all success stories till 2 months ago are now witnessing a spike. The pandemic continues to grow at a steady pace in the US. Not much to report other than that, since the party conventions and the US presidential elections has taken over for a while. But they have just purchased over 1 million tests, so we can expect a bump in numbers. Brazil continues to be the second worst hit. It's the worst hit in Latin America, which just crossed the 7 million milestone. The infection is spreading in Peru, Mexico, Colombia, and Chile, and the healthcare infrastructure, already weak, is crumbling. I want to end with a quick follow-up on Lebanon. A COVID-19 emergency was imposed after there was a spike following the Beirut blast. Now that's been extended till the end of 2020 because cases continue to increase. Yesterday, the health minister urged the people to stay safe because only 200 empty hospital beds remain. That's what I have for today. Thank you for listening.